Meaning of Ian.
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 Eon. The suffix "ian" is commonly added to a noun or adjective to form a noun meaning someone who supports or adheres to whatever the first word suggests. For example, vegetarian means someone who doesn't eat meat, while Christian denotes a follower of Jesus Christ. The suffix can also denote an origin or place of residence, as in Canadian or Iranian. Overall, the suffix "ian" is a useful way of forming nouns to describe people's beliefs, practices, and identities, as well as their geographic locations.